This video describes how I repaired a Hoover FH50251 carpet shampooer. On the wastewater collection tub, my wife had lost a gasket out of here and run over it with the vacuum cleaner and destroyed it. So I needed something else. So I went to Lowe's to look around for what they had, and the thing that looked the best to me was this Autumn Marine rubber weather seal. It's 5/16 high, 19/32 wide by 10 feet long. And when you get it, it's twice this wide. Let me see if I can get that in the light. But it looks like this when you get it. And I had to cut it lengthwise all the way down the strip. And this part has a groove in it. So I peeled off this little sticky tape as I went, and I took a little plastic spudger that you use for like fixing phones and stuff, and tucked that sticky part down in there and poked it down in there to where it stuck really good. And it looks like it's going to work pretty good. Admittedly, I haven't tested it yet, but I think that'll do it. And you can't buy this replacement part. We tried. Okay, thanks for watching.